juggler out in nature. Sunny day, mid-July. Better than this. Nice and quiet out here. Here with my buddy Sergio. Enjoying an orange. Let's keep exploring. Cool juggler here. Now, sorry for the bad audio. I'm having difficulties with technology, but right now we both heard something in the woods, whether it's Bigfoot, whether it's who knows what it is, but we heard something. There you can see my buddy. Oh, look at them. We both heard it again. As you can see, he looked that way. Look the way he looks at me. Oh, he's thinking about what it sounds like. And he takes a bite out of the orange. No, but seriously, we heard something out there. I kid you not, I took out my camera to record the clip you saw before this. And then my buddy asked me what I'm recording, and I made a joke. Oh, I'm recording a video looking for Bigfoot. I turn off the camera, and we both hear some noises. So I turn back on the camera, and we hear the noise again. It's not very loud, so that's why I couldn't capture it on camera. So now I'm telling you. And after that, we didn't hear it. But it was kind of a coincidence that after I said Bigfoot and turned off the camera, we heard something that sounded like a giant walking through the forest. So I'm going to be doing some more hiking, and we're going to get to the bottom of this. See you guys tomorrow.